Welcome to Perfection in Lakemoor, Eagle's premier gated community. This stunning single-level Zach Evans home sits directly on the lake, offering peaceful water views through floor-to-ceiling windows. The bright, open split floor plan features hardwood floors, a striking fireplace, and seamless flow for daily living and entertaining. The gourmet kitchen includes a Wolf Sub-Zero refrigerator, Wolf oven and microwave, and thoughtful custom details. The primary suite enjoys panoramic lake views and spa-like finishes, set apart from the guest rooms for privacy. Each bedroom features its own ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Outside, pristine landscaping and an enviable lakefront lot create a true retreat. Even the oversized garage is immaculate and well-organized. Move-in ready and meticulously maintained, this home showcases Lakemoor living at its finest.